Your car is important. It's powerful. So we bring you cool inventions that can take it to the next level. The Hydra Alien Car Mount System, one of those must-have car gadgets, was designed from the ground up to work with smaller gimbals to provide a lightweight solution for vehicle-mounted cinematography. This system uses a highly customizable combination of spike-like plates and suction cups that can support a load of up to 110 pounds. The highly resilient shock-absorbing silicone provides increased durability and reduced wear, while the improved plungers of the suction cups create a stronger seal for increased safety even in cold climates. Once connected, this system allows users to precisely adjust the exact location of their shot to achieve virtually any angle possible when mounting on a vehicle. In addition, the system uses a shock-absorbing arm to better stabilize the camera for certain shots, along with a spring-loaded cradle head when the shot requires the gimbal to be mounted upside down. Incredible, right? Well, wait until you see what's coming next, because I assure you it will take your breath away. Looking for a vehicle packed with cool accessories? It's time to meet the NIO ET9 Skyride, which uses an electric propulsion system consisting of two dual motors that generate a combined output of 707 horsepower. It's also equipped with a 120 kilowatt-hour battery that's compatible with ultra-fast charging. However, no details have been given about the power it will be able to withstand or the range it will offer. The notable feature is the presence of a champagne fountain on the hood, which remains stable thanks to the chassis avoiding spills. It has an intelligent suspension system that uses hydraulic actuators to control each of the four wheels independently. And just when you think you've seen it all, buckle up, because what's coming next will blow your mind. Top car accessories are on the way. LG's addition to the SOPHI steering committee in March 2022 marks a significant milestone in the software-defined vehicle, SDV technology landscape, and future mobility solutions. By joining this leading group of more than 100 companies, LG positions itself as a key player at the forefront of the innovation in the field. One of LG's strengths is its ability to develop comprehensive solutions ranging from vehicle computing systems to vehicle communication and operating systems. As the SDV market continues to grow, the demand for these solutions is expected to increase, and LG is strategically positioning itself to meet these evolving needs. Are you speechless at what you've just witnessed? Well, hang on, because what's next is even more surprising. The Sanctum seat ventilation system, the best car accessory in 2024, offers a complete solution to ensure the user's comfort year-round. Regardless of weather conditions, this system is designed to adapt to the temperature needs of the vehicle occupants. With built-in heating and cooling functions, this system uses thermoelectric devices to regulate the temperature of the vehicle's seats. These devices are highly efficient and can be easily installed in any vehicle with a 12-volt power source. Comfort is at your fingertips with the OEM-style switch that controls 6 different settings: high, medium, and low for both heating and cooling. Plus, installation is easy with the included cutting template, which ensures a perfect hole the first time. With the Sanctum seat ventilation system, users can enjoy a comfortable and pleasant ride in all weather conditions, regardless of the season. It's impressive, isn't it? Well, the best is yet to come, so stay tuned and get ready for the unimaginable. The perfect blend of safety, utility, and ruggedness, the Smittybilt Atlas provides a reliable solution for easy roof access on Jeeps and other vehicles. It has built an unparalleled legacy in the off-road industry for more than half a century. What sets Smittybilt apart is its focus on continuous innovation. With a team of designers and manufacturers passionate about off-roading, the brand has created a diverse line of more than 2,000 products, each designed to enhance the driving experience on all types of terrain. While widely known for its signature bumpers and fenders, Smittybilt's product offering goes far beyond that. From Jeep accessories to trucks and SUVs, the brand continues to lead the industry in providing innovative and reliable solutions for off-road adventure enthusiasts. If that left you speechless, wait until you see what we have in store for you next. I promise you won't be disappointed. Much more than just a tailgate, the Stowflex is an innovative integrated storage compartment that redefines mid-size truck functionality. Designed as a smart solution to maximize cargo space, it provides secure, waterproof storage never before available in this vehicle segment. With a capacity of 45 inches wide by 4 inches deep, the Stowflex provides ample room to store tools, sports equipment, emergency kits, and other important items. Stowflex's versatility is further enhanced by additional features, such as sliding latches to ensure the security of stored items and a drainable design that allows for easy cleaning in the event of a spill or water accumulation. In addition, tabs on the sides of the lid keep it upright while open, preventing it from closing unexpectedly and providing a stable platform for working or placing items. Wow, just wow. If you found that surprising, wait until you discover what's coming next. I assure you, you'll love it. Imagine a journey without limits, where concerns about charging and cost are no longer an obstacle. The revolutionary electric vehicle EV solar kits make that vision a reality. Not only do these kits allow you to harness the abundant energy of the sun to charge your electric vehicle, but they also free you from relying solely on conventional charging stations. What does that mean for you? It means you can charge your EV in a completely sustainable way, no matter where you are. At work, at home, or in the great outdoors, you have the freedom to charge your batteries with clean, free energy. Plus, with kit options ranging from basic setups for everyday use to advanced fast charging systems for off-grid adventures, there's a solution for every need and lifestyle. Did what you just saw take your breath away? Well, get ready, because what's next is going to blow you away even more. Multi-drive technology offers a wide range of premium modifications for 4x4 vehicles, as well as packaged solutions tailored to the specific needs of adventurous and professional drivers. From suspension upgrades and cargo capacity enhancements to dual battery systems and tow corrections, each product is precision engineered and quality built to ensure optimal performance in any terrain or situation. In addition, the company prides itself on working closely with new car dealers to ensure that their 4x4 modifications are seamlessly integrated with new vehicles prior to delivery. With multi-drive, customers can rest assured that they'll receive a comprehensive and professional service that exceeds their expectations every step of the way. Just spectacular, isn't it? But don't rest on your laurels, because what we're about to show you will raise the level of surprise to the maximum. The must-have Nordic Track TM line of mobile crushers, screens, and stackable conveyors is designed to meet the specific recycling needs of asphalt, concrete demolition, small aggregate production, and the sorting of organic materials such as topsoil and wood. They are the perfect choice for contractors performing short-term jobs or for those starting their own business. The variety of mobile crushing and screening plants, along with Nordic Track TM mobile conveyors, makes it easy to get your asphalt recycling, concrete demolition, and small aggregate production operations up and running on time and on budget. With pre-configured off-the-shelf products and a global sales and support network, Nordic Track TM is the ideal solution for contractors who need to meet project deadlines and capacity requirements quickly and efficiently. Amazing, isn't it? But what comes next will make you question everything you've ever seen. The car camping bed is a versatile and practical solution for camping enthusiasts looking for a comfortable way to rest both inside their vehicle and outdoors. Designed to provide an optimal sleeping experience, this bed combines the comfort of a mattress with the portability and convenience of a folding cot. Constructed of durable Oxford fabric and 70/75 aluminum alloy support bars, this bed provides durability and stability, while its light weight of only 3.6 kilograms makes it easy to transport and take anywhere. Its foldable design allows for quick assembly and disassembly, making it an ideal choice for outdoor adventures, camping trips, and weekend getaways. If this has impressed you, I assure you that what's next will leave you speechless. So get ready for what's coming. Much more than just a simple solution for camping in a short bed truck, the topper tent is one of the coolest gadgets you'll ever own. Its innovative design offers a quick and convenient setup without complications or the need for special tools. Plus, its smart design allows for convenient storage when not in use, making it the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. The topper's ease of setup is unparalleled. In just 1 minute, you can have your tent ready to enjoy a night under the stars. Just unhook the top straps, adjust the sides with the integrated Velcro, and secure the buckles along the back door of your truck. It's that simple. In addition, the topper tent offers secure attachment with sewn-in Velcro on the top and sides that connect to the truck topper. It also attaches to the topper carpet or soft top accessories. You'll always have a secure fit with the Velcro strips along the sides of the truck bed.